So my last craft show ended with a bang, literally. A lot of people lost their tents. Very sad. Lots of broken tents. Luckily I survived by the help of 2 angels that I didn't even know that came and helped me. I'm on my way to help my friend Janet because she's here alone. People are still struggling. Security's out helping, customers are helping. It's really quite the community and very nice to see. And Janet looks like she's in pretty good shape. Everybody's helping everyone.
Thank you. I think my son is on.
So if you're ever at a craft show and you see this happening, please be friendly to your vendors and help them out.